Hey, boys and girls, I want to remind you about the book we read yesterday called Life in a Coral Reef. I'm not going to read the whole book to you again, but I want you to show you what I want you to do today. Today, as we're reading nonfiction book, remember the main reason we read nonfiction is to get facts, to get some information. So as you read a nonfiction book today, I want you to be looking for some facts, for some cool information that you found, okay? So today, you're going to fill out this paper. You can either print it or you can copy it like this into your journal, but I'm going to put the title, Life in a Coral Reef again. And the author is Carrie Schutz. It's on the inside cover. Now, as I read, I'm going to check off any of these that I see on here. Okay, so if I go through here and I read, well, there's the table of contents. I can click that one off. We saw lots of photographs yesterday. Index. Let's see, does this book have an index? Yes, it does. Remember, an index just tells me where to find certain information and what page I can find it on. So I can click off index. Now, I don't remember seeing graphs, but I'm gonna read through the book. Pretend I read the whole book to you again, okay? Captions. We did see lots of captions on the pictures. Let's see, does this book have a glossary? Yes, this book has a glossary. I did see lots of bold words in this book yesterday, but I did not see any in italics. We decided there were some labels right here on the food web labeling each fish, so I'm going to put labels. Vocabulary, they don't have a place with just vocabulary words other than the glossary, so I'm going to leave that blank. And a timeline, this book did not have a timeline, some do, but it did have a map. So see, I didn't check. I'm only checking the ones that I find in my book, okay? Now I'm going to read the whole book, and then I want to come up with some facts, okay? I thought it was really interesting that there were 3 different kinds of coral reefs. I didn't realize there were, of reefs. I didn't realize there were 3 types. So I'm going to write that as a fact. There are 3 main types of tropical reefs. And then I'm just going to list the 3 types there. Fringing reef, barrier reef, and the atolls. Now I need another fact as I read along through here. I remember I really liked that the red seaweed. So I'm going to write that about the red seaweed. Red seaweed grows in deeper water than green seaweed. Their color helps them capture more sunlight. I thought that was really interesting. So there's 2 facts from my book. So that's what I want you to do today. I want you to choose a nonfiction book that's just right for you. You can choose it on any of the sites that we have or a book you actually have at home or checked out of the library. I want you to put the title and the author, come up with 2 facts, and then I want you to check off any of the text features that were in your book. Not every book has every text feature. Then I want you to take a picture of this and share it with me on Seesaw. Okay, now not this one. You're going to do your own book. Okay, all right. I look forward to seeing your work.